I had to rate you a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give you a 9 because I'm the one you need.
Without you, I'm like an ulcer. Empty.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog! And for today's video, we're going to talk about mathematics!
I was supposed to solve for x, but I am so glad that I found you instead.
You know what? If you were a triangle, you'd be a cute one.
Hi ate, pwede ka po ma-interview? So, what mathematics is about for you po?
It's about number po at pwede po natin yung gamitin sa pang-araw-araw like pagluluto or di kaya po yung pagtitinda.
Thank you!
Kuya.
Esa na si March.
Oh, no, that's not what I'm asking. What is mathematics about for you?
Mathematics is nature. For everything is math, and it is like addition. Every day people add something in the nature. We subtract its originality. We multiply things to gain productivity. We divide the people, but it has one challenge. One challenge, it is equals. To equals is to be gathered. That is math for me.
Thank you po, sir.
What is mathematics for you po?
Ang mathematics para sa akin ay isang pag-aaral mula sa elementarya hanggang sa high school, pinag-aaralan ng subject na mathematics para matuto ang mga tao na sa pagbibilang kung ilan o magkano, ganun.
Thank you po.
Okay na.
My love for you is like dividing by 0. It's undefined.
You know, you're my x raised to 0. Why? Because you're my only one.
Hello mga matutas! So, for the main part of our vlog,
we will be having a machika wherein we will be sharing our thoughts and insight about math.
come on and join us. Okay, let us first start with our machika with a question. Considering that we are all from the hospitality management course, does anyone know why math is still important in our choosing course? Well, you see, mathematics is part of everyone's life. Simple mathematics is used in every encounter we make.
I do agree, especially for someone like me who enjoys cooking in the kitchen. I later realized that mathematics is also about operation, transformation, calculation, and process to formulate data. Operation includes subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also requires the basic math knowledge I have mentioned, creating numbers of measurements, ingredients, and following operations. The recipe obviously are question, what are applications for mathematics in real life?
Yes, I agree a lot. Although, I do have to clarify that yes, numbers are the most prominent part of mathematics and everyone is taught arithmetic at school. But numbers are just one type object that mathematics is interested in.
To further introduce number as a part of mathematics, here are the 5 number system. Natural numbers, integers, rational, real numbers, and complex number. This create variation toward the purposes of different kind of numbers in mathematics.
To sum it up, numbers are considered the heart of mathematics again. It is only a small portion in the big world of mathematics, especially when we try and discover the list of the important contribution of mathematics in humankind.
One of the most well-known contributions would be the discoveries of different civilizations which made their life easier. Mainly the early prehistory of mathematics can be summed up as the discovery by various civilizations of a wider and wider range of things that deserve to be called numbers. The simplest are the numbers we use for counting. Besides that, I recently read Ian Stewart's book that discusses the nature of math and he outlined the invention of whole numbers and fractions. It occurred sometime in the Dark Ages, the invention of zero, the invention of negative numbers and square roots.
Moreover, the invention of negative numbers took a little effort because it makes sense to represent it as a depth.
In correlation to the uses of numbers, we also have fractions, and fractions by definitions are what we call numbers, which are the proportion of a whole number. And fractions, they cannot be counted, but there are interesting things that you can do with them.
With everything that you have mentioned about mathematics, there's still some questions in my head that needs a simplified answer. One of which is, why is proof necessary in mathematics? Math is like a landscape in which similar proofs and theories cluster together to create peaks and troughs. Is that simplified enough? Yes, but maybe elaborate it further.
Okay, let me step in. In addition to what she said, proofs, theories, and evidences are also studied, which are related concepts of mathematics to generate and support mathematical thoughts. A mathematical proof is a story about mathematics works without mathematics have learned to be extremely critical of proofs. Only proofs can make a room for it, but not for mistakes, because with one wrong move, questions and doubts will arise.
I've heard you like fractions, so will you let me be your other half?
Hi, I hear you are good at algebra. Will you replace my ex without asking why?
And for ending our vlog, we shall now proceed to our game. So first things first, I will give you all one word, and that is the word ship. And I would like you to turn it into another word, which is duck. This is a relay game, so one word for each player. And in this game, you have to solve it by only changing one letter at a time and get a valid answer. You may choose the next player that shall answer.
Slip. Slap.
Spot.
Private.
Slut.
Suit.
Loop.
Private.
Loot.
Wait, I know this. Look. Right?
Lock.
Okay, it is somehow an elimination, right? So basically, there's a hint and all answers have one thing in common. Think about it first, and I'll give you enough time to prove it.
Well, I noticed that there are vowels in every word.
That's right. And with regards to what we have tackled about earlier, proofs are there to justify or validate a certain concept. Vowels are the peaks in the ship-duck landscape, the landmarks between which the paths of proof win.
Hey, can I calculator?
My love for you is like pie, never ending.
I heard you're good at math. Can you teach me so I can calculator?
That's it for today's video!
Just math out! Bye-bye!